Hello, this is Ruth and welcome back to the Versatile Housewives live video presentation. Today I'm going to be talking to you about beautiful skin. Now everybody wants to have beautiful skin, especially when they have to go, for a special function, when they're celebrating a festival, when they want to look their best, when they are with friends. And now Deepavali is around the corner, and of course we can't have celebrations like how it was last year because of the lockdown, but still people will want to look their best and meet up with their close family and friends. So I'm going to tell you how to have beautiful skin for any occasion, and especially for Deepavali. And why is it so important to look after the skin? The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It is 21 square feet, which is about 15% of our total body weight. Just imagine. And it actually protects all our other organs. It regulates temperature. It sheds itself every 28 days. We are not aware of it, but it is happening. Can you imagine that? So we have new skin every 28 days, and every minute we are actually losing 30,000 to 40,000 dry cells. This is about 2.2 kgs of our body weight every year, which we lose when these dead cells go, or we lose them. Now practically everybody has some kind of skin problem. Now what are these problems that we face? There's acne, there's dry skin, there's oily skin, there's sensitive skin, there's irritable skin, there's patchy skin, pigmentation, various kinds of skin problems like psoriasis, eczema, and so on, acne, whiteheads, blackheads. And when you go into the malls and the markets, there are so many products aimed at giving you flawless skin, but you actually need to know what exactly is in these products before you use them. Now, why do people have these kind of problems? One is because they use the wrong product. They may not be using any products. Their skincare routine may be really bad. They may be overusing products. They may be using inferior products. It may be due to dehydration or lack of water, medication, inflammation of the skin, because of the weather conditions, because of aging, because of a bad diet, and also drinking too many soft drinks and not drinking water at all. All these things will irritate the skin and get it damaged very easily. Now, every human being, whether it is man or woman, needs to have a very good skincare routine morning and night. And this skincare routine should start when a person comes of age. It's very important to follow certain steps in looking after your skin, and also feeding your skin really good food, and avoid skin damaging habits like too much of sugar, alcohol, smoking, now pollution. Now when you go on the road, all the fumes from the exhaust pipes, they actually damage the skin, and there are a lot of free radicals in the atmosphere which also age our skin. Let me give you an example to make you understand. For example, hi Maha, thank you for watching, I'm fine. When you cut an apple and you keep it out, what happens? Within a few minutes it grows, becomes brown. That's actually the effect of antioxidants on our skin. The same thing happens to our skin when we do not look after it and just have a don't care attitude. So it's very, very important to look after your skin in a really good way, and that's what I'm here for. So I'm going to show you a basic skincare routine. Now last week we actually did the basic skincare routine for the morning, which is cleanse, tone and moisturize. So we do the same thing at night, but we actually have a different moisturizer for the night. And the products that I'm talking about are the Herbalife skin products. And one of the reasons I started using them is because they're really a very high quality. The company is an old and reputed one. It's 40 years old. There are millions of satisfied customers, clients and testimonials all over the world. The doctors involved in creating these products and the scientists involved are also of very high repute, and there's a star-studded gallery of people who are actually using these skincare products. And I came across these 15 years ago and I liked it. I used it, I saw fantastic results, and I decided to use it for myself and for my family. So now it's been 15 years since we have been using the Herbalife skincare products, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Herbalife Skin. These products are actually meant to refresh, replenish and rejuvenate your skin every single day. They are chemical free, parabens free. They have been dermatologically tested and clinically tested and proven to give results in 7 days. And with just one use, your skin looks different, it feels better, and you feel more confident. So can you imagine that? Have you ever seen or come across a product like this? Now for the Cleanse, Tone, Moisturize, we need a cleanser. Now these products can be used by both men and women, and for all types of skin. So the cleanser we have for oily skin and we have for dry skin. So depending on what your skin type is, you use that. Now how do you know what is your skin type? A very simple test is just take your forefinger and rub your nose. Take it out like this. You'll see a kind of a little bit of oil on it. That means you have an oily skin. Or you take a tissue and just put it on your face and just pat it and remove it after 1 minute. You'll see a oily patch in the shape of a T. This is called the T test. So this means you have a oily skin. Now if your skin is flaky, it has pigmentation, patches and different tones, then it is dry skin. And why does our skin become like this? As I told you, it's because of bad diet, it's because of the weather, lack of drinking water and so on. But a good skincare routine can actually bring your skin back to normal within 1 month. I told you it changes every 28 days. So within 1 month, you'll have new skin. And if you continue with a routine, you'll always feel fabulous and have great skin. And I have an oily skin, so I'm going to be actually using the citrus cleanser. So the citrus cleanser is for oily skin, and the aloe cleanser is for people who have dry skin. Now the cleanser is actually used to remove all the dirt and the surface dirt and clean your face every day, morning and night. You have to do this twice a day. And all these products, the cleanser, the toner and the moisturizers, the day moisturizer and the night moisturizer, they all have vitamins B3, C and E and aloe vera and citrus. Now all these are actually vitamins for the skin, which make the skin look better. It repairs the skin. Remember I told you, refresh, replenish and rejuvenate. That's exactly what it does. So vitamin B3 actually provides antioxidant protection, prevents redness, and vitamin C and E, it actually helps in repair and growth. Whereas the aloe vera extracts in it revitalizes and brightens your skin. So you can see people are using these products, they have a glow to their skin without makeup. So when you use a cleanser, you're actually removing all the surface dirt and making your skin softer and smoother with just one use. So now I'm going to show you how to do a night care routine. It's the same steps but use a different moisturizer, and I'll explain each product as we do it. So what you need is, you need some warm water. Okay, so I have the warm water here. So you need to actually wet your face. So I'm going to just wet my face and get it ready to receive the moisturizer, and I'm using the citrus moisturizer. You take enough of it, like the quantity should be in as much as the size of a 50-cent coins, and apply it to your face in circular motions. Okay, like this. Massage it into your skin so that there's a slight froth. Now this has got, as I told you, hints of citrus and jojoba bees, which gently massage and cleanse the surface dirt from your skin. Okay, so this is how we do it. It may seem, you know, a long ritual, but actually it takes less than 5 minutes. I have been doing this every day from the time I came of age. My mom insisted that we follow a good skincare routine, and I'm glad she made us do it. So can you see? Avoid the eye area, and now you need a face cloth. You just dip it in water and remove all the water, and now we are going to remove the soap for the cleanser. So it has a very mild fragrance and makes you feel really good. The citrus also wakens you up and makes you alert. So this is how we do it. So and now I'm going to just dry my skin very gently. Should not be rough on the skin. So now my skin is dry and I'm feeling nice and fresh, and I'm going to use the toner. Now the toner is extremely important because it actually gets your face ready for the moisturizer, and not only that, it removes the surface dirt and that has been caught, you know, in the pores, and makes it really clean. So just hold it away from your face, 2 squirts there, and just pat it down. Close your eyes and spray your forehead, your cheeks and your chin, and just pat it down. Okay, very, very refreshing. And it's got a lovely smell, and as I told you, all the products have vitamins B3, C and E and extracts of aloe vera. So they are all vitamins for the skin, aimed at making your skin look better in just 7 days. And now we come to the night moisturizer. So this is it. You can see it's got the number 5 on it. So this is what you use in the night. And the reason why you have to put a moisturizer at night is because your cells repair at night. You know, the baby cells actually grow at night, so you need a good moisturizer that gives your skin all the vitamins that are required for it to repair and grow, and this happens at night. And also in today's world, most of us sleep with air cons and fans. This actually dries our skin, so we need to use a good cream or a moisturizer that will retain the moisture in your skin, and this provides moisture for 8 hours. It's the same with the daytime moisturizer, so it leaves your skin, you know, looking really fresh and smooth and glowing. It gives it a luminosity with just one use. So just take a little bit and put it on your forehead, and same way a small quantity on your cheeks, chin and neck area. So gently rub it in, smooth it out, and you're ready to take on the day. And you can see your face has a glow, and you will certainly look like a celebrity wherever you go for the weekend or to celebrate Deepavali. So you're ready to take on the world. Actually, you know, when you look good, your skin looks good, you really feel confident at meeting people, and you don't have to put, you know, a lot of makeup on your face. Your skin speaks for itself. So now, those of you who are interested in using these products, you may contact me. It's available through me. I put up my WhatsApp number there, so you can just contact me and make your enquiries. Please remember, this is the best way to pamper yourself during this season. If you want to gift someone something, why don't you give them a good set of skincare? And this is simply one of the best. So thank you for watching. Next week I'll be doing an advanced skincare routine at the same time, so do join me. And once again, thank you to all who watched. I'd like to wish everybody a happy Deepavali. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good time with your family and friends. Bye-bye.